Good evening or good afternoon if you're in the US. It's half an hour before the market closes and I'm just going to recap my one and only trade for today. Didn't do a recap yesterday because I wasn't in a very good place. I had a really bad day of FOMO, over trading, revenge trading. I only took 3 trades yesterday, but it was oversizing what really did the damage, and wasn't really a great day at all. So today I had a biggest red day as well. I don't have many red days, so it kind of hits me harder than normal because it's difficult, especially when it's my own fault. I don't mind having a red day if I got in at levels and it just didn't work out, but I didn't take any levels yesterday and I was trying to fight the trend all day, and that's not really a good way to trade. So today I vowed that I'm only going to trade the trend. So on this 60-minute chart at the bottom corner, I only wanted to find an entry if it came back down to this area, or I had this level here as well set up at 5,000, and it didn't come down to that area, so I didn't take any trades. But I was going through my old trading accounts. I got a trade of 8 account, and unlike my Apex, you can only trade 1 account at a time with trade of 8. Apex I can trade up to 20. I usually trade about 14. So I just wanted to make sure it was all working okay, and I took a short up here in this area. Hang on, I'll open up 5-minute chart. So I took a short. It wasn't very, the short was good. I got in on this candle here, coming into, I was on the hourly, we were below the 20 moving average, so that's why I was looking to focus on the short, which I think it was right on it at the time. And I saw this big rejection candle here, and we had low volume on the pullback, so that's kind of why I got in. And I only got in with 1 contract, got in there, and my target was low of the day, pre-market low, and I didn't get filled. I missed that one, came all the way back on me. My out was always going to be at 50-15, around about here. That's my out. Probably should have used that as an out, but I want to keep it tight. Would have been a very small loss, and it came all the way back up. So when it came back down the second time, I got out just there. I think it was about 5,007. I think it was around about that area. I got out 5,006.50. So decent trade. Probably should have got out the first time. I only had 1 contract, so I was kind of holding for the home run type trade, and it was okay trade. But look at the state of the chart. Look how this bottom tails, topping tails. It's messy, really messy. So didn't want to trade at all. The chart didn't clean itself up at all. This is a 5-minute chart, and it even the pre-market looked nicer, but you can see there's a lot of indecision today. So that is it, my one and only trade, and I basically sat on hands all day. That's it really. I'm not sure how other things gone. Bitcoin was breaking out on the daily. Oh, look at that, it's broken out quite nicely. Go back to the hourly. Nice run on Bitcoin there. So if it pulls back, we've got a level we can watch for at 43,600 area for a potential bounce. And Nasdaq was looking strong earlier. Hasn't really done much. See, that's if we go into the 5-minute. It's cleaner, but it's not, still quite a messy chart. So a lot of indecision today. Low volume as well. So if we go to the daily, and we can see how we've put in. We're in lowering volume, reducing volume, and increasing price. So it's looking tired. It's looking more and more tired every day. So potentially a short play as a swing could be on. I may pick up a couple of puts maybe before the market closes. Keep it tight as well to see if we get a bit of a reaction. But still strong, still an uptrend. If I get puts, it'll probably be, I usually buy SQQQ, which is the inverse to this, and it's leveraged as well. And there we go. If we get SQQQ, I've got a defined out there as well. So I'll probably do that. I'll have a quick look in a minute, see what the current rate contract prices are. But that's it. No play today. No, didn't come back. Even the Qs, we were waiting for it to pull back into this area here. Didn't do that. Break and retest of the pre-market high. Yeah, that would have worked. We've got this going to the 5-minute. Pre-market high is here. It's messy, really messy. It broke it. Come back down, yeah. Even there, you could have probably taken it at that level there, maybe that level there. Better pen. Probably that's the only place. Break and retest. I like to see a bit of daylight when it breaks and retests rather than it pokes up and comes down like that in the same candle. Horrible chart. We could have used, if you got in with confirmation, you had a bottom tail. You had a test candle there, volume increase. Where's that? That's probably that candle there. Yeah. Not a nice day to trade at all, I don't think. Anyway, that's me done. I'll be back tomorrow at 9 AM Eastern time, which is 2 PM here in the UK. Okay, hopefully you had a good day trading, or if you didn't, you sat on hands. Let's just very quickly look at MES for the day before we go. See if we can see anything. Again, we've got decrease in volume, increase in price. All-time highs again today. Couple of levels there. The better level is probably here. If we see a bit of a pullback, that's the area we can focus on next. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.